the only people who can actually make a bit of money on their investments are the uber wealthy. I want the middle classes to have an opportunity here. I want the squeeze middle who are putting money in the post office or the credit union or the bank account to actually make money and not lose money in relation to that. This is about making their money work for them.
You said not lose money. For people of a certain vintage, they're going to remember things like Aircom shares. It was definitely going to be a winner. The nation dived in and it collapsed. So I'm just wondering, from your point of view, what guarantee can you give to anyone who invests that's above and beyond them taking out shares now in the stock market right now?
So this is exactly to the complexity of the issue. You have to make sure that there are products available in retail financial institutions, in banks, perhaps in credit unions, that enable people to place money on deposit, also place money into an investment, and have that at a level of risk and risk appetite that suits their family and their situation.
But there is a risk.
And at the moment, there's always a risk when you invest. But at the moment, there's an entire group of society, most people, who are actually locked out of the investment market in Ireland. And that's costing the squeeze middle money in this country.